How are you all? Welcome to VNCRT Chemistry, where we do NCRT Chemistry page by page, line by line. Hi, how are you? Hi, good afternoon. Just a second, I need to refresh it. Hello, everyone. Hi, Mandeep. Hi, Ayusha. Hi, Hi, Manjula. Hi, Nikhil. Hi, Arpita. Hi, Ila. और बताओ क्या हालचाल? All good? How's life? Hi, Anam. Hi, Nikita. Everybody fine? सही सब? दिवाली की तैयारियां चल रही हैं घर में। तैयारियां नहीं, सफाइयां है ना। क्लीनलीनेस इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। या आई एम गुड बच्चा, आई एम ऑसम, फैंटास्टिक। ओके ओके ओके, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड आफ्टरनून। चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट। हाय ओम, थैंक यू सो मच। हाय स्वाति, हेलो हेलो एवरीवन। ओके चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट। एवरीबॉडी रेडी? Let's rock it. Let's get chemistrical. Everybody ready? जल्दी से बता दो. Ready? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Well done. Well done. चलो let's start. So today we'll just be doing the physical properties and questions. ठीक है? Then we'll be solving the NCRT exercise questions, and then in the end we'll be doing the Menti, your favorite Menti. Yeah. चलो. Hi technical giants. चलो let's start. Let's start. ओके सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जिसने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है अब तक, दैट्स द लिंक बच्चे। वी कीप सेंडिंग लॉट ऑफ मैसेजेस देयर। ठीक है, सो इन ऑर्डर टू हैव अ बेटर इंटरेक्शन विद ऑल योर टीचर्स एट एनसीईआरटी, यू हैव गॉट टू ज्वाइन दिस ग्रुप वाया दिस लिंक. So click on the link and get become a part of the group. Those who haven't subscribed to our amazing channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss any notification about the amazing sessions that are gonna come your way. ठीक है, वन शॉट वीडियोस, एनी टॉपिक, एनी अमेजिंग डिस्कवरीज एंड ऑल रिगार्डिंग केमिस्ट्री ऑफ कोर्स. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. ओके चलो या लेट्स स्टार्ट. ओके सो you all must be, we all know that this time is very very crucial to us because everybody is preparing for NEET or JEE, and you know that NCERT is the key, NCERT is the essence, literally, right? NCERT is very very important. So we are bringing something for you that's called pro subscription. जैसा नाम है वैसा ही काम है इसका. ठीक है, so it will also make you a pro. ठीक है, so you'll be having full access to all the live classes. All the subjects are covered in very much detail. ठीक है, इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों का ऑप्शन है आपके पास. लाइव डाउट सॉल्विंग बिकॉज देर आर लॉट ऑफ टीचर्स विच आर अलॉटेड टू वन स्टूडेंट, ईच स्टूडेंट बेसिकली. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन लर्न सेफली फ्रॉम योर होम. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द प्राइजेस. डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस, इफ यू सी, इट इज सो लेस. द डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस आर दीज, and if you're going for 6 month subscription, it will be even lesser than rupees 50 per day. So it is, yeah, it is too less. Okay, so buy now. Link will be given in the description. That's the link basically. Click on the link, then choose your class, choose your course, and then use this coupon code SAPRO to avail 20% discount. ठीक है, 20% discount के लिए do not forget using this code. Yeah, चलो, yes, let's start now. Let's start. Oh yeah. So physical properties, we'll be doing physical properties, then we'll be moving on to the questions. So the very important, the first and most important physical property is nothing. Two physical properties are important basically. Three and four are there basically. One is the boiling point. Okay, the most important one is the boiling point. Question in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, or in NEET or in CBSE is asked basically on boiling point. Then we have got the melting point also. ठीक है, and then we have got the solubility also. ठीक है, first of all people, we are discussing the boiling point, the most important physical property, that's the boiling point. What is boiling? चलो let's discuss first of all what is boiling. यहीं पे ही थोड़ा बहुत discuss कर लेते हैं. What is boiling? What do you mean by boiling? क्या मतलब है boiling का? Boiling का क्या मतलब होता है? You have to convert. Yeah, good afternoon everyone. Melting point, boiling point, every. Yes. So you have to convert, you have got to convert a liquid into the vapors, corresponding vapors. ठीक है, and finally they become an equilibrium. ठीक है. So basically boiling point is the temperature when a liquid starts boiling. When a liquid starts boiling. ठीक है. Boiling और boiling का मतलब क्या होता है? Boiling point is basically the temperature when the vapor pressure of the liquid, na technical definition if we see, when the vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to 1 atm. So you start heating a liquid, its tendency to go into vapors increases. So the pressure of these vapors increases. Basically the vapor pressure increases as we have done in the solution chapter. And when this vapor pressure become equal to 1 atm, then the substance is said to be boiling. Okay. So what do we do in boiling? Basically, you have to convert liquid to vapors, right? You have to convert liquid to vapors, right? Okay. So how would you convert a liquid to vapors? What will you have to do? What will you have to do? Suppose I have a liquid and these are the molecules. These are the molecules of a liquid, let us say. Now we know that these molecules, they must be attracting each other with some force. The molecules, they must be attracting each other with some force. Okay, so what you have to do, what you have got to do, you have to break this intermolecular forces of attraction. You have to break these intermolecular force of attraction. Why? Because if you break this intermolecular force of attraction, then only the molecules will be free and they convert to the gaseous state. Okay, so you have got to break this intermolecular force of attraction. So depending upon the type of intermolecular force of attraction, boiling point is different. Yeah. Okay. For example, greater the intermolecular force of attraction, what would be the boiling point? If intermolecular force of attraction is very high, the boiling point will be high or low? Jaldi se bata do. Good evening, Jaya Surya. Yeah, greater boiling point. Hi, Chandana. Greater boiling point. So, greater the intermolecular force of attraction, greater will be the boiling point. Okay. So, basically, the boiling point and melting point also. Melting point it depends upon one more factor. Okay. Basically, the boiling point, it depends upon what? It depends upon intermolecular forces of attraction. Yeah. Intermolecular forces of attraction. ठीक है. If a liquid has got high intermolecular forces of attraction, then the boiling point will also be high. Then the boiling point will also be high. ठीक है. Let's see how does it vary. So see people, there are two molecules. Let's call them two molecules. One molecule is M1 and this molecules are M2. Let's call them this way. ठीक है. I don't remember their actual name, so that is why I'm taking this names. Yeah. ठीक है. So M1, you can see that M1 is kind of large in size, है ना, fatty and bulky. ठीक है. So M1 has got greater size, I can say, because we have to relate it with size. ठीक है. And M2 has got a little smaller size in comparison. Yeah. ठीक है. So yes, boiling point has got something to do with the molecular size. Can you tell me any idea? People, any idea? Okay, Patrick and SpongeBob. Okay, okay, okay. Patrick, who's Patrick amongst these? Okay, okay, okay. So, yes, yes, yes. Any idea? Red one. Okay. Any idea which molecules will have greater intermolecular force of attraction? Red one. Okay, okay. Which of these have greater intermolecular force of attraction? M1, yeah, exactly. Very good, Mamta. Very good. M1. Why? See, people, see. I am drawing the M1 molecules first of all. ये M1 है, ठीक है? That is your Patrick, and the other one is the M2. Yeah, ठीक है? Now M1 molecules are larger in size. M1 molecules are larger in size, है ना? They are kind of this size. ठीक है? They are like this. ठीक है ना? So, but M2 molecules, they are kind of smaller in size. They are smaller, right? ठीक है. So what happens is the molecules that are larger, they tend to approach the other molecules at lesser distance. They tend to approach the other molecule closely, more closely at lesser distance. ठीक है. Similarly, they also approach each other more closely. But these molecules, they are kind of introvert, जैसे लोग होते हैं ना, introvert kind of people. ठीक है. तो इनका साइज बहुत कम है. So they cannot approach the other molecule that closely, right? They cannot approach the other molecule. That is why in M1 the intermolecular forces of attraction will be more, and in M2 the intermolecular force of attraction will be less. Since boiling point depends upon the intermolecular force of attraction, So it is also directly proportional to the size or the molecular mass of the molecule. Yeah, ठीक है. So Rivanshu बच्चे, we have done the nomenclature. You have got to watch the first lecture बच्चे. In first lecture we have done the nomenclature. ठीक है. So basically the intermolecular force of attraction, intermolecular, I'll just write it here, force of attraction, it depends upon the size or the molecular mass of the molecule. It depends upon the size or the molecular mass of the molecule, and boiling point depends upon intermolecular force of attraction. ठीक है. So you can say that boiling point depends upon the molecular mass also. Greater the molecular mass, greater will be the intermolecular force of attraction, and greater will be the boiling point. Yeah, got it everybody? Everybody got it? Chalo, give me a thumbs up if you have got the concept. Jaldi se, jaldi se, jaldi se. Simple. It is very, very simple. Physical properties are simple. Very good, very good, very good, everybody. Very good, very good. Well done, well done. Chalo, moving on to the next. What will you do if molecular mass is same? अगर molecular mass same हो जाए तो क्या करोगे? Molecular mass same हो जाए तो क्या करेंगे हम? Then you have to see the branching. फिर आपको देख लेनी है branching. Branching अगर ज्यादा है तो boiling point कम हो जाएगा. Why? Because of branching, the molecule approaches the shape of a sphere. ठीक है, द शेप ऑफ अ स्फीयर विच हैज गॉट, यू नो दैट विच हैज गॉट लीस्ट सरफेस एरिया. ठीक है, स्फीयर क्या करता है, स्फीयर की वजह से, स्फेरिकल शेप की वजह से जो साइज है वो कम होता जाता है, सरफेस एरिया कम होता जाता है. ठीक है, सो ब्रांचिंग की वजह से क्या होगा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. सपोज आई हैव दिस थिंग CH3 CH2 CH2 एंड CH3. नाउ वी डू द ब्रांचिंग हियर, CH3 CH3 एंड CH3. ठीक है, this is the branching. These are the two isomer possible. Clearly this molecule has got larger surface area or larger size, but this molecule is approaching more and more to the spherical shape, right? And spherical shape has got lesser surface area, so the force of attraction will also decrease. So if molecular mass is same, then you have to see the branching. Branching you understand na bache? This is a straight chain compound and here there is a branch. ठीक है, so greater the branching, smaller will be the size, smaller will be the surface area, and smaller will be the intermolecular force of attraction, and smaller will be the boiling point. Smaller will be the boiling point. Yeah, greater the branching, lesser will be the boiling point. Yes, right. ठीक है, very good, very good. Then the other thing is dipole moment also. There will be some molecules that will be given to you which have everything same, branching is also same. Then you have got to see the dipole moment. तब आपको dipole moment देख लेनी है. ठीक है, what is dipole moment? Okay, what is dipole moment? What is dipole moment? Yeah, tell me. dipole moment क्या होती है, जल्दी से बता दो, जल्दी से. Hi Jashan, what is dipole moment? Dipole moment basically we have every molecule ना, कोई भी molecule है, you can characterize it into two types. ठीक है, you can classify it into two types. One are the polar molecules, the other ones are the non-polar molecules. ठीक है, so any molecule, the covalent molecules, they are divided into two types, right? One are the polar and other one are the non-polar ones. ठीक है, पोलर कौन से होते हैं, जिनकी डाइपोल मोमेंट होगी ग्रेटर देन जीरो, दैट इज नॉन जीरो. नॉन पोलर कौन से होते हैं, जिनकी डाइपोल मोमेंट होती है जीरो. सो डाइपोल मोमेंट इज नथिंग, इट इज द मेजर ऑफ पोलैरिटी इन अ मॉलिक्यूल. It is the measure of polarity in the molecule, right? Q into D. Yeah, exactly, Chandana, very good. Q into D. ठीक है. Now you people tell me which of the molecules have greater force of attraction, polar or non-polar? Which of the molecules have got greater intermolecular force of attraction, polar वाले या non-polar वाले? जल्दी से बता दो, जल्दी से. Polar molecules have got greater force of attraction or non-polar molecules? Come on everybody, polar. Yeah, polar. Why? Because they have got charge separation. Charges होते हैं इनमें, एक एंड नेगेटिव, दूसरा एंड पॉजिटिव, रिलेटिवली पॉजिटिव. पार्शियल चार्जेस हैं लेकिन है तो सही. ठीक है, सो दैट इज वाई दे हैव गॉट ग्रेटर इंटरमोलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. ग्रेटर इंटरमोलिक्यूलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. ठीक है, सो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट किसका ज्यादा होगा बच्चे? Which of these will have greater boiling point? Yeah, tell me, which of these will have greater boiling point? जिनमें डायपोल मोमेंट है, जिनमें डायपोल मोमेंट नहीं है, जिनमें डायपोल मोमेंट है, सो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट विल बी मोर, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट विल बी मोर, yes yes exactly, and here boiling point will be lesser, here the boiling point will be lesser. ठीक है, yeah, got it, got this concept, very important bachcha, these things are very very important. First of all you have to see molecular mass is same, then branching or dipole moment. ठीक है, चलो let's move on. Okay, so the very first thing is boiling point of chloride, bromide and iodide are considerably higher than those of hydrocarbons of comparable molecular mass. Can you tell me why? Suppose you take any bromide RBr, ठीक है, and you take any alkane or any hydrocarbon, their molecular masses are comparable, molecular masses are same, ठीक है, but still the boiling point of RBr is more. Can you tell me? We have just discussed this thing. We have just discussed it. Which of them is polar? Which of them is polar बच्चे? Alkyl halide or alkane? Tell me, जल्दी से बता दो. दो लेसर पोलर, या बट इट इज पोलर. कौन सा दोनों में से पोलर होगा? एल्काइल हैलाइड हैज गॉट टू बी पोलर और एल्केन? एल्काइल हैलाइड, क्योंकि हेलोजन प्रेजेंट है. हेलोजन आपको पता है इट हैज गॉट हाई टेंडेंसी टू अट्रैक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इट विल बी हैविंग अ पार्शियल नेगेटिव चार्ज, राइट? सो चार्ज सेपरेशन आ जाएगी एंड द अदर एटम विल हैव अ पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज. वेयर एज here you have only carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen, between carbon and hydrogen, the electronegativity difference is too small, too small. That is why they are considered non-polar. Okay. So yeah, they have small polarity. They have small polarity, है ना? Due to which, बच्चे polar means that have got charge separation. For example, suppose the simplest example is, suppose I take this compound, methyl bromide. ठीक है, now Mr. Shrinu, bromine is more electronegative, so it will attract the electron density towards itself. Shared pair will be shifted towards bromine, so it will have a partial negative charge and carbon will have a partial positive charge. ठीक है, so now I can represent this molecule like this. One end is relatively positive, other end is relatively negative. Such a molecule is called polar. Such a molecule is called polar because it has developed two poles now. One is positive, other is negative. That is how. ठीक है, yeah, exactly. Hi Saroj, hi. Okay, so these kind of molecules, they have got greater intermolecular force of attraction because charges में force of attraction ज़्यादा ही होगा ना, ठीक है? So that is why their boiling point is high. That is why their boiling point is high. ठीक है? I hope I made this point clear. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Next one is the बच्चे branching. ठीक है, ब्रांचिंग मैंने अभी बताया था. आइसोमेरिक अगर हेलो एल्केन्स हैं आपके पास जिनका मॉलिक्यूलर मास सेम है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मॉलिक्यूलर मास, हाँ मॉलिक्यूलर मास इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, देन द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिक्रीजेस विद इंक्रीज इन ब्रांचिंग. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस हैज गॉट नो ब्रांचिंग, सो इट्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज 375 केल्विन. ठीक है, दिस हैज गॉट अ लिटिल ब्रांचिंग, एक ब्रांच हो गई यहाँ पे, दिस इज अ ब्रांच, इट्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हैज डिक्रीज टू 364 केल्विन and it has got maximum branching. ये तो पूरा spherical हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so its boiling point is even lesser. It is even lesser. Yeah, so branching increases and boiling point decreases. ठीक है, branching increases, boiling point decreases. Yeah, ठीक है. which is more dominant, charge or distance? Charge or distance. बच्चे depends the molecule that you are taking. ठीक है, depends upon the molecule that you are taking. If charges are there, charge separation is there. ठीक है, basically molecular mass is important. Molecular mass is most important. ठीक है, so yeah, you can say distance is important if you get it that way, Pawan Mishra. ठीक है, जैसे for example, suppose you have these molecules HCl, HBr and HI. Can you tell me which of these has got highest boiling point? Which of these have got highest boiling point? Yeah, people, can you tell me? All of these are polar, all of these are polar. ठीक है, but iodine has got lesser electronegativity, so it could be less polar. ठीक है, हाँ, all of these are polar. Which of these has highest boiling point? It's HI बच्चे, it's HI because of the molecular mass. It's HI. ठीक है, so that is the order of boiling point of hydrogen halides or halogen acids. First of all, it will be HI. ठीक है, then it will be HBr, then it will be HCl. ठीक है, बट HF हैज गॉट हाईएस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, पता है क्यों? HF हैज गॉट अ डिफरेंट नेचर. HF can give you a special intermolecular force which is strongest, irrespective of size, which is the strongest intermolecular force of attraction. Can you name that? Can you name that intermolecular force of attraction? HF में कौन सी intermolecular force of attraction होगी? या people जल्दी से बताओ. हाय मुना माइकल, कौन सी इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होगी HF में? बच्चे इट विल बी हैविंग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग ना, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, केमिकल बॉन्डिंग. थोड़ा सा याद करो. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग अकर्स whenever hydrogen is attached to highly electronegative elements like fluorine, oxygen और नाइट्रोजन. ठीक है, तो हाइड्रोजन जब भी ऐसे एलिमेंट से अटैच होता है तब हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग हो सकती है. ठीक है, या एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग बच्चे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है. It is the strongest intermolecular, okay? Not a bond. Not as strong as a covalent bond it is. But yeah, it is the strongest intermolecular force of attraction. ठीक है, whereas these molecules are just having van der Waals force. इनके पास सिर्फ van der Waals force है. That is the dipole force of attraction. ठीक है, van der Waals force has got 2-3 types. So dipole force of attraction is there, which is weaker, which is much weaker. ठीक है, so the intermolecular force in general depends upon molecular mass. But if hydrogen bonding is there, then hydrogen bonding wins the competition. क्योंकि hydrogen bonding बहुत strong होती है. Yeah, got it? ठीक है, इसके बाद होगा बच्चे, इसके बाद होगा ऑफ कोर्स. ठीक है, नाउ कम्स दीज मॉलिक्यूल्स, नाउ कम्स दीज मॉलिक्यूल्स. वैसे इट इज रिटन. So yeah, can you tell me why is this order of boiling point? Why is boiling point decreasing? Can you tell me बच्चे? सबसे ज्यादा boiling point किसका है? This is this compound. What would you call it? It is ortho dichlorobenzene, है ना? Ortho, it is ortho. Ortho, okay, I'll write the full name. Ortho dichlorobenzene, right? ठीक है, then you have got meta dichlorobenzene, then you have got meta dichlorobenzene, है ना? Then at the end you have got para, okay, just a second, para dichlorobenzene, para dichlorobenzene. ठीक है, now it is written there that ortho वाला जो आइसोमर है उसका जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट है वो सबसे ज्यादा है ना? ऑर्थो वाले आइसोमर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सबसे ज्यादा है. कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई? I told you बच्चे, if molecular mass is same then you can see other factor. Let's see dipole movement. Let's see dipole movement. Dipole movement देखते हैं. Dipole movement किसकी ज्यादा है सबसे? Which of these has got highest dipole moment? Can you people tell me? Which of these has got highest dipole moment? Dipole moment में क्या होता है? देखो, एक ये bond dipole होगा. This is another bond dipole. This I told in the first class also. If you don't remember it, you can watch the replay of the first class. ठीक है, फर्स्ट और सेकंड क्लास में भी, सेकंड क्लास में बताया था शायद. ठीक है, सो दिस इज वन बॉन्ड डायपोल, दिस इज अनदर बॉन्ड डायपोल. सो यू हैव गॉट टू फाइंड द रिजल्टेंट हियर, एंड व्हेन यू फाइंड द रिजल्टेंट देयर विल बी cos थीटा, एंड यू नो दैट cos theta decreases as angle increases. Cos theta decreases as theta increases. ठीक है, so here the dipole moment is highest amongst these compound. Here it is zero, here it will be zero because they cancel out each other, right? The dipoles they cancel out each other, so it is zero, and here it is lesser. यहाँ पे बहुत कम होगी क्योंकि जो एंगल है it is 120 डिग्री. ठीक है ना? ओके, yes, free Paytm, yes you can ask, yes you can ask. ठीक है, so greater the dipole moment, greater will be the polarity in the molecule, and greater will be the intermolecular force of attraction. ठीक है, that is why the boiling point order is, the order of boiling point would be, first of all comes ortho, then comes meta, and at the end comes para. ठीक है, got this बच्चे? Got this thing? Is this concept clear? जल्दी से give me a thumbs up, जल्दी से, come on everybody. हाँ, melting point I am telling बच्चे, melting point I am telling. Got it everybody? Hi Gaurav, hi, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, the next thing is the melting point. Now बच्चे, अच्छा एक बात बताओ, melting point होता क्या है? What is melting point? What is melting point? Melting point क्या होता है? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हाँ, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? इट इज द टेम्परेचर एट विच सॉलिड स्टार्ट्स मेल्टिंग, राइट? सॉलिड मेल्ट्स टू लिक्विड, ठीक है? तो अब आपको सॉलिड को लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट करना है, सॉलिड जा रहा है लिक्विड में, ठीक है? सो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट डिपेंड्स अपॉन वन मोर फैक्टर इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन पे तो डिपेंड करता ही है। इन एडिशन इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन वन मोर फैक्टर, दैट इज द पैकिंग ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स, पैकिंग ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स, ठीक है? If the molecules are packed very closely to one another, then the melting point will be higher. Why? Because then more energy will be required to break the packing and convert the solid to liquid. ठीक है? Getting my point? So it depends upon the packing of the molecules also in the crystal, of course. If packing is close, if packing is tight, if packing is very good, then you will have to give more energy, of course, because molecules are very close enough to each other, ठीक है? And the melting point will be higher. या समझ गए इस बात को, है ना? ठीक है? फिजिकल नहीं बचे, फिजिकल नहीं हुआ अभी, फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री करनी है मतलब अभी। ओके, सो बच्चे वी आर फॉलोइंग द क्या कहते हैं, एनसीईआरटी कंटेंट, ठीक है? सो द वेरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर वाज सॉलिड स्टेट and solutions. So two chapters we are done from physical chemistry, that is solid state and solutions. Then I started organic. ठीक है? So it depends upon the packing of the molecules also. Packing of the molecules. अगर molecules बहुत closely packed हैं, close हैं बहुत, then you will have to supply more energy and the melting point will be higher. You will have to supply more energy to melt the substance and melting point will be higher. ठीक है? Okay, tell me everybody, ये बताओ, which of these can give you better packing? Simple. किसकी better packing हो सकती है? Which of the molecules can pack better? Can pack more tightly? पैरा, मेटा या ऑर्थो? पैरा, मेटा या ऑर्थो? यस 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 जशन, यस एग्जैक्टली। कहाँ पे पैकिंग सबसे ज्यादा हो सकती है? वेरी गुड निखिल, वेरी गुड गौरव। Of course it will be in para. Yes, exactly, it will be in para. That is why its melting point is highest. ठीक है? So para isomer gives, I'll just write it here, gives best packing amongst these. ठीक है? Tightest packing I'll write, tight tightest packing, close packing or tightest packing, whatever you can write, ठीक है? followed by पैरा के बाद कौन होगा? पैरा के बाद कौन होगा? बेसिकली here the chlorine atoms are close enough, ठीक है? So they will create hindrance in the packing, they will not allow the other molecule to come closer to it beyond a particular distance, ठीक है? Whereas para molecules they can pack easily because the two bulky groups they are on the opposite sides, ठीक है? But in meta the distance between the bulky groups is higher, the distance between the chlorine atoms or halogen atoms, it is higher, ठीक है? So meta will have better packing than ortho. In meta isomer molecules will be packed better than ortho, molecules will be packed better than ortho, ठीक है? Why? This is because of the distance, more distance between the bulky halogen atoms, ठीक है? bulky halogen atoms, ठीक है? which will create lesser hindrance to the upcoming molecule, ठीक है? whereas here the hindrance to the upcoming molecule will be higher, that is why packing will be very loose, बहुत loose packing होगी, ठीक है? that is why the melting point will be low, ठीक है ना? yes, so it would be para, meta and ortho, para, meta and ortho, या ठीक है? यस, शायद बचे, यस। Okay, thanks Muna Michael, thanks. Okay, chalo, let's move on. Now comes the solubility, last physical property बचे. For solubility, if you remember the solution chapter अगर आपको याद हो, मैंने आपको solubility के लिए एक प्रिंसिपल बताया था. What was that principle बच्चे? What was that principle? डाई पैरा मटेरियल सिलेबस से निकल गया है. डाई पैरा बच्चे, सौरभ ऐसे मेरे को सब्सटेंस के हिसाब से आइडिया नहीं है, ठीक है? बट या बहुत सारा सिलेबस डिलीट हुआ है, ठीक है? लेकिन जो सिलेबस है वी आर कवरिंग ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ दैट, ठीक है? सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट, ठीक है? हाँ, सो सॉल्युबिलिटी के लिए एक क्राइटेरिया, एक प्रिंसिपल होता है, लाइक डिसॉल्व्स लाइक. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, लाइक डिसॉल्व्स लाइक, पहली बात तो ये क्राइटेरिया होता है, लाइक डिसॉल्व्स लाइक, ठीक है? या लाइक डिसॉल्व्स लाइक, ठीक है? ओके सो लाइक का मतलब है द मॉलिक्यूल एंड द सॉल्यूट दैट इज बीइंग डिसॉल्व्ड इट हैज टू हैव द सेम नेचर एज दैट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स। सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट के मॉलिक्यूल सेम नेचर के होने चाहिए, सिमिलर होने चाहिए एटलीस्ट, तभी दोनों एक दूसरे से इंटरैक्ट करेंगे और डिसोल्यूशन होगा, वरना नहीं होगा। ठीक है, लेट्स सी हेलो एल्केन्स नाउ। हेलो एल्केन्स क्या है? आर एक्स, ठीक है, और वाटर क्या होता है ये। नाउ पीपल टेल मी RX that is haloalkanes, are they polar or not? Yeah, are they polar or not? जल्दी से बता दो। Last property, then we do the questions. जल्दी से। RX polar है या नहीं? Yes, it is polar. It is polar. Water polar है या नहीं? Water भी polar है। Water भी polar है। ठीक है। Yes, देखिए it is polar ना, थोड़ा बहुत polar होता है, कम है बहुत, लेकिन polarity है। Weakly polar it is, you can say. ठीक है ना? वाटर इज ऑल्सो पोलर, ठीक है, बट स्टिल आर एक्स डजंट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर। स्टिल आर एक्स डजंट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर। डू यू नो व्हाई? दे बोथ आर पोलर, ठीक है, इसकी पोलैरिटी बहुत कम है, ऐसा बोल सकते हो। ठीक है, स्टिल जो एल्काइल हैलाइड है वो पानी में डिसॉल्व नहीं करता, प्रेसिपिटेट बना देता है। रिमेंबर लुकास टेस्ट, रिमेंबर बच्चे लुकास टेस्ट, आई टोल्ड यू लुकास टेस्ट में हमें इसके तो प्रेसिपिटेट मिलते हैं, आरएक्स के तो मिलते हैं प्रेसिपिटेट्स। ठीक है, इट मींस दैट इट इज नॉट सॉल्युबल इन वाटर, राइट? व्हाई? क्योंकि क्या करना होता है, अगर आपको डिसॉल्व करना है ना किसी चीज को, करना क्या होता है, मान लो मेरे पास ये है ए, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज आ सॉल्यूट, ये कोई सॉल्यूट है मेरे पास, ठीक है, ये सॉल्यूट है, ठीक है, और दूसरा जो है वो सॉल्वेंट है, बी एंड सो ऑन एंड दिस एंड दिस एंड दिस। ठीक है, अब सॉल्यूट को अगर सॉल्वेंट में जाना है, सॉल्यूट को अगर सॉल्वेंट के अंदर डिसॉल्व होना है, तो सॉल्यूट को करना क्या है? सॉल्यूट हैज टू अट्रैक्ट द सॉल्वेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स ग्रेटर देन द सॉल्वेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट बच्चे? ये बात आई समझ में? solute has got to attract the solvent molecules greater than the solvent molecules attract each other. Only then the solute particles can go into the solvent molecules, right? ठीक है, समझ गए ना इस बात को? ठीक है, so if a solute is able to do this thing, then only the solute will go into solvent molecules, otherwise it will not, otherwise it will not, right? है ना? ठीक है, तो अब मेरे को ये बताओ वाटर में कौन सी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है? वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स में पता है कौन सी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होती है? इनके पास है हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, बड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग। ठीक है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग मैंने अभी बताया बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है। ठीक है, नाउ यू पीपल टेल मी दिस कंपाउंड्स, दीज कंपाउंड, सपोज दिस कंपाउंड, कैन इट फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड? कैन इट फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग? ये जो कंपाउंड है CH3Cl, मैंने एक एग्जांपल ले लिया, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I, कैन इट फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग? ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं कर सकता, नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई हाइड्रोजन नहीं है। नो हाइड्रोजन इज देयर विच इज अटैच टू मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट। ठीक है, तो ये हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग नहीं कर सकता। ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या कर सकता है बच्चे? ज्यादा से ज्यादा पता है क्या कर सकता है? Cl पे पार्शियल नेगेटिव होगा, कार्बन पे पार्शियल पॉजिटिव होगा, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे इस हाइड्रोजन पे पार्शियल पॉजिटिव है। ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये कर सकता है कि जो नेगेटिव एंड है, नेगेटिव एंड वो थोड़ा बहुत पॉजिटिव एंड को अट्रैक्ट कर ले, और जो पॉजिटिव एंड है वो थोड़ा बहुत नेगेटिव एंड को अट्रैक्ट कर ले। मैं यहीं से बना रही हूँ, ठीक है, लेकिन ये फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग थोड़ी ब्रेक कर देगी, है ना? ये जो वीक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आई, दिस वीक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, इट कैन नॉट ब्रेक द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग दैट इज ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन द वाटर। ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाई इट डजंट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर, दैट इज व्हाई इट डजंट डिसॉल्व इन वाटर। ठीक है, समझ गए बच्चे इस बात को? ओके संजय शर्मा, ओके, हाउ डू यू नो अबाउट दैट? ठीक है, गॉट इट, एवरीबॉडी गॉट इट? ठीक है, सो सॉल्यूट इज रिक्वायर्ड to break the intermolecular force of attraction that are present in the solvent molecules in order to get dissolved in it, in order to get dissolved in it. If a solute is not able to break the intermolecular force of attraction that is present in the solvent molecule, then it will not be able to go into it, it will not be able to dissolve into it. Simple, simple चीज, simple. ठीक है, डिवाइड एंड रूल बच्चे, डिवाइड एंड रूल तो समझते हो जो ब्रिटिश ने किया था? डिवाइड एंड रूल करना पड़ता है, तो सॉल्वेंट को जाके ये सब ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा, है ना? सॉरी, सॉल्यूट को सॉल्वेंट की फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को ब्रेक करना है। अगर कर पाएगा तो वहां जा सकता है, उसके अंदर जा सकता है, वरना नहीं जा सकता। ठीक है, तो ये सीधा साधा बंदा CH3Cl, इसको डिवाइड एंड रूल पता ही नहीं कुछ, है ना, सिंपल सा बनता है ये, तो ये डिवाइड एंड रूल नहीं करता, इसलिए ये वाटर में डिजोल्व नहीं होता। ओके, या कैन इट बी अ रीजन फॉर CH3Cl? हाँ, यस 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 बच्चे, गौरव सिंगला, दैट इज व्हाट इज द रीजन, दैट इज व्हाट द रीजन इज। ठीक है, ओके, संजय शर्मा, दैट्स वेरी गुड बच्चे, दैट्स वेरी गुड। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम संजय शर्मा, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? That's a very good thing, but I knew about this. I knew about this already. Chalo, let's move on. Now we have got to do the questions. Abhi hum karenge questions. See, you have to arrange these compounds in the order of increasing boiling point. You have to arrange these compounds in the order of increasing boiling point. ठीक है, कौन से कंपाउंड्स दे रखे हैं? ब्रोमोमीथेन, ब्रोमोमीथेन क्या होगा? कैन यू टेल मी द फॉर्मूला? ब्रोमोमीथेन का फॉर्मूला बताओगे बच्चे? इट विल बी CH3Br, राइट? ब्रोमोफोम, अच्छा ब्रोमोफोम बताओ, ब्रोमोफोम क्या होगा? ब्रोमोफोम बताओ जल्दी से, व्हाट वुड बी द ब्रोमोफोम? ओके, देयर इज अ लिटिल लैग, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टू वेट। Okay, Devesh. Yeah, VVS, very good, very good. It would be CHBr3. Chloromethane क्या होगा? Chloromethane CH3Cl. Dibromomethane क्या होगा? CH2Br2. Okay. Tell me which of these has got highest molecular mass? Which of these has got highest molecular mass? सबसे ज्यादा molecular mass किसका है? Molecular mass या size? सबसे बड़ा कौन है? हल्क कौन है? इनमें से हल्क कौन है? CHBr3 बचे, CHBr3, right? CHBr3 has got highest molecular mass. That is why it will be having highest intermolecular force of attraction. That is why it is having highest boiling point. After this, जल्दी से बताओ, इसके बाद कौन होगा? CHBr3 के बाद कौन होगा? इसके बाद ये वाला हो जाएगा, CH2Br2 हो जाएगा, सिंपल। ठीक है, then after this CH3Br and in the end CH3Cl. Yeah, exactly. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Got it right? चलो next करते हैं. So that is the order that we have written. Very good. Well done, well done, well done. शाश्वत संगल बच्चे, we have just seen the molecular mass. Molecular mass देखा है हमने और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, only the molecular mass. Greater the molecular mass, greater is the boiling point. Greater the molecular mass, greater is the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules. So greater will be the energy required to break that force. That is why greater will be the boiling point. Okay? Okay, yeah, chalo, let's move on. The next question, yeah, can you tell me the products here? Bache, it's peroxide, remember, peroxide. Can you tell me the products here? Jaldi se. Peroxide, remember, peroxide का मतलब क्या है? Anti Markovnikov rule. Anti Markovnikov rule will be followed. ठीक है, so एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल लगाना है आपको. इसका मतलब हाइड्रोजन विल नॉट गो टू इट्स ब्रदर्स. रिमेंबर, हाइड्रोजन विल नॉट गो टू इट्स ब्रदर्स, हाइड्रोजन विल गो टू द अदर कार्बन. ठीक है, here it is, yeah, and Br will go to the other carbon. So anti-Markovnikov addition will occur. Yeah, exactly, exactly. So this is the product that you are gonna get. Can you name it, bache? Can you write its IUPAC name? Can you write its IUPAC name? So these are the substituents basically. ठीक है, so what we do choose the longest chain. So it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, and this is the substituent whose name is phenyl. If you remember, its name is phenyl. ठीक है, so what do we write? It's 1 bromo, 3 phenyl, 3 phenyl propane, right? 1 bromo, 3 phenyl propane. 2 bromo नहीं बचे चंदना, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ एडिशन मिलाकर. या गॉट इट, वेरी गुड, वेल डन. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. ये क्वेश्चन बताओ बच्चे, ये क्वेश्चन अच्छा है, जल्दी से जल्दी से. C5H10, C5H10 doesn't react with chlorine in dark but gives a single monochloro compound in bright sunlight. Identify the hydrocarbon. Identify the hydrocarbon. जल्दी से बताओ. अच्छा, C5H10 it is resembling to which of the hydrocarbon बचे? किसको resemble कर रहा है ये? It is something like this. ये this is the formula of what type of compounds? This is the formula of what type of compounds? जल्दी से बताओ. Alkanes, alkenes या alkynes? किसका formula है ये? Alkenes, right? Alkenes, alkenes. It is a general formula of alkenes. ठीक है, Okay, yeah, alkenes. Very good, very good. Now tell me, do alkenes react with halogens? Do alkenes give addition reaction with halogens? Yes or no? In CCl4 or in any non-polar solvent? This is the characteristic reaction of alkene. They react with halogen and they give the addition compound. है ना? They react with halogen and they give the addition compound. ठीक है? But this compound is not reacting with chlorine in dark. It means that, बच्चे, what does it mean? It means that this compound is not containing any double bond. Remember, this was the test for unsaturation. This was the test for unsaturation, bromine test. ब्रोमीन टेस्ट बोलते थे जिसको, है ना? When you add any alkene to bromine, the red color is gone. The red color of bromine is gone because bromine adds on to the alkene. Same happens with chlorine also, क्योंकि chlorine is also a halogen. ठीक है? But this compound, it is not adding the chlorine. It is not reacting with chlorine. It means that it doesn't contain a double bond. It does not contain a double bond. That is what it means. ठीक है? If it doesn't contain a double bond, then what is the reaction? Then what is the reaction, बच्चे? If it doesn't contain a double bond, then what is the compound? One more type of compounds have the same formula. एक और type के compound होते हैं जिनका same formula होता है. Those are cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes का भी यही formula है. Cycloalkanes have this formula CnH2n. Cycloalkanes का same formula होता है. ठीक है? It means all the carbons will be saturated. There will be no double bond, but there will be cycle. There will be a cycle. Okay. So let's try doing this compound. Yeah. Let's try drawing this compound. If I draw it like this, CH2, 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 CH2. Yeah. Is the formula satisfied, bache? Is the formula satisfied? Tell me. Is the formula satisfied? Yeah, it is C5H10. The formula is satisfied, right? Now, when you add chlorine to it in sunlight, what will happen? Remember, मैंने क्या बताया था? This will give you free radical halogenation. This gives you free radical halogenation, right? ठीक है? So, this will give you free radical halogenation and all the carbons are equivalent. All the carbons are equivalent. It means that halogen can be attached anywhere. Halogens can be attached anywhere. So it will give you one compound. It will give you only one compound. ठीक है? Yeah, that is one chloropentane. One chloropentane. ठीक है? So the point is, बच्चे, Jashan, right? Okay. The point is, bache, the formula of the compound that is given, here, it is resembling with CnH2n, है ना? The formula is CnH2n. Now, CnH2n are two types of compounds. CnH2n is the formula of two types of compound. It could be a cycloalkane. Cycloalkanes have got same general formula, that is CnH2n. Or it could be a alkene. ठीक है? If it would have been an alkene, then it would react with chlorine and give the addition product. If it would have been an alkene, then it would react with chlorine and give the addition product, right? But this thing is not happening. This thing is not happening. It is given here. It means that the compound is a cycloalkane, which is this. Simple. Okay. So the compound is cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. Yeah, got it, everybody? Got it, everybody? Is my voice not clear? Have you all got it? Okay. Bache, anti-Markovnikov rule means hydrogen will go to that carbon where hydrogens are less. Hydrogen will go to that carbon where hydrogens are less. Markovnikov rule means hydrogen will go to that doubly bonded carbon where already hydrogens are more. ठीक है? तो इसको ऐसे याद रखो, hydrogen goes to his brothers. Hydrogen goes to his twin brothers. That is where there are more hydrogens. This is the Markovnikov rule. So anti-Markovnikov rule would be the opposite. ठीक है? So here also peroxide is there. It means the anti-Markovnikov addition will occur, and anti-Markovnikov addition will be hydrogen will be going to the other carbon. ठीक है? So that is what you'll be getting. Yeah? ठीक है? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so next question is, among the isomeric alkanes of molecular formula C5H12, okay, what is this molecular formula, बच्चे? पहले तो ये बताओ. एल्केन, या इट इज एल्केन, है ना, इट इज एन एल्केन, ठीक है ना। एल्केन का फॉर्मूला है ये सिंपल। यू हैव टू टेल आइडेंटिफाई दैट एल्केन विच ऑन फोटोकेमिकल क्लोरीनेशन। फोटोकेमिकल का मतलब होता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट। फोटोकेमिकल मीन्स इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ फोटोन और सनलाइट, ठीक है। सो यू हैव टू गिव दैट कंपाउंड विच गिव्स अ सिंगल मोनोक्लोराइड। कैन यू टेल मी बच्चे, दैट कंपाउंड विच गिव्स अ सिंगल मोनोक्लोराइड, एक ही मोनोक्लोराइड देगा। when it reacts with chlorine, it gives only one monochlorinated product. Can you write the formula of that compound? Can you write the structure of that compound? जल्दी से बता दो, जल्दी से आयुपेक नेम बता दो। देखो, अगर मैं ये वाला कंपाउंड बना दूं, सपोज आई एम फॉर्मिंग दिस कंपाउंड, या है ना, ये वाला कंपाउंड है सपोज, एंड यू एड क्लोरीन टू इट। Tell me, how many monohalogenated products will be formed? How many monohalogenated products will be formed? क्लोरीन को कहाँ पे लगाओगे बच्चे? थैंक यू सो मच वंशिका। क्लोरीन को कहाँ पे लगाओगे? क्लोरीन को कहाँ पे लगाओगे, जल्दी से बताओ। यहाँ पे लगा दो, चाहे यहाँ पे लगा दो, चाहे यहाँ लगा दो, चाहे यहाँ लगा दो, एक ही बात है, एक ही बात है ना, एक ही बात है। So only one compound will be formed. So only one monochloro product would be obtained. Yeah, only one product would be obtained. ठीक है, so this is your answer. First answer is neopentane. Its name is neopentane. ठीक है, neopentane. Yeah, ठीक है. Yes, yes, yes. Now you have to tell me that compound, that isomer which gives 3 isomeric monochloride, which gives 3 isomeric monochloride. जल्दी से बता दो, तीन कौन देगा, तीन कौन देगा? Everywhere same. या तीन monochloride कौन देगा? Let me try writing it. So it is something like this. Will it give you 3? एक दो तीन चार पांच. Okay, it will give you 5. It will give you 5. नहीं, एक दो तीन चार, इट विल गिव यू 4, सो इट इज द थर्ड आंसर ना। एक मिनट, सेकंड वी आर डूइंग राइट। दैट गिव्स यू 3 आइसोमेरिक मोनोक्लोराइड, 3 आइसोमेरिक मोनोक्लोराइड। सो या आई गॉट इट। देखो ये होगा ना एन पेंटेन बच्चे, एन पेंटेन या एन पेंटेन, ठीक है। यू कैन डू हेलोजनेशन हेयर। वन प्रोडक्ट यहां से बनेगा फर्स्ट कार्बन से, एक प्रोडक्ट यहां से बनेगा 2 क्लोरोपेंटेन, ठीक है, एक प्रोडक्ट बनेगा 3 क्लोरोपेंटेन, ठीक है। नाउ इफ यू अटैच क्लोरीन हेयर, अगेन इट विल बी 2 क्लोरोपेंटेन सेम एज दिस, and if you attach chlorine here, again it will be 1 chloropentane same as this. So yeah, it will give you 3 products, 1 chloropentane, 2 chloropentane, 3 chloropentane, ठीक है। The last one is 4 isomeric monochlorides, 4 isomeric monochlorides, 4 बनने चाहिए, 4 कैसे बनाओगे? So see, ये आपको 4 दे देगा प्रोडक्ट्स। Will this compound give you 4 products? एक तो बच्चे यहां से बन जाएगा, 1 product from here, 1 product from here, 1 from here and 1 from here. This will give you the same product as it, ठीक है। We have done it, we have done it, right? We have done it like this. ये हमने कर लिया था, ठीक है। हाँ, आइसोपेंटेन, या आइसोपेंटेन। yes, शिवम कुमावत asked बच्चे, okay. Okay. Okay, the next one is the reaction with SOCl2. So what does SOCl2 do? Remember, SOCl2 just replaces the OH by Cl. Just replaces the OH by Cl. And then you will be getting the gases in the product. Gases मिल जाएंगी, है ना? Yeah, got it. ठीक है, समझ गए इस बात को? Okay. Karthik, is it from my side it is clear, Vijay. From my side it is clear. Divalent means the valency would be 2. Jashan, divalent means the valency would be 2. हाँ, yes, yes, yes. SO2 and HCl, Gaurav. SO2 and HCl will be removed. SO2 and HCl, yeah? ठीक है? Okay, okay, very good, very good. चलो, next one. Okay, which has got para-chloro-dibenzene has got higher melting point than those of ortho and meta. We have just done it. This is because of close packing in the molecules of, that is what you have to write in the answer, in the molecules of para-dichlorobenzene. Yeah, exactly, very good, ठीक है ना। चलो, next one. Okay, this is the last question. prop 1A into 1 fluoropropane. What? How would you do it, बच्चे? How will you do this conversion? जल्दी से कैसे करोगे इस conversion को? Prop 1E into 1 fluoropropane. फ्लोरो, इसको पता है कैसे सोचना है? फ्लोरोप्रोपेन मतलब आपको फ्लोरो एल्केन बनाना है, ठीक है? सो फॉर फॉर्मिंग द फ्लोरो एल्केन we have done a reaction that is called Schwarz reaction. People remember Schwarz reaction? Yeah, exactly, Gaurav. Very good. We can use the Schwarz reaction. है ना? We can do the Schwarz reaction. ठीक है? But for using Schwarz reaction, you should have a bromo or chloroalkane. है ना? Bromo or chloroalkane. So first of all, you convert it to bromo or chloroalkane. ठीक है? So how would you do it, बच्चे? First वाला देखो हमें क्या करना है. फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे मेरे को ब्रोमीन चाहिए, यहाँ पे मेरे को ब्रोमीन चाहिए, फिर रिएक्शन हो जाएगा, है ना? फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे ब्रोमीन चाहिए, देन द रिएक्शन विल बी डन. प्रभात एंड अयान, थैंक यू सो मच, बट डू नॉट स्पैम हियर बच्चे, ठीक है? What would you do? You will add HBr in the presence of peroxide. Why I am adding peroxide? Because I know that in the presence of peroxide, anti-Markovnikov addition occurs, and I will get one bromopropane. ठीक है? So this is the result of anti-Markovnikov addition. Then you add AgF to it, है ना? AgF डाल देंगे, and you will be getting your product. Yeah, got it everybody? ये समझ गए सब लोग? फर्स्ट कन्वर्जन जल्दी से कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, समझ गए? गिव मी अ थम्स अप. ओके, वेरी गुड. सेकंड वन, 1 क्लोरोब्यूटेन से n ऑक्टेन. बच्चे जब भी आपको नंबर ऑफ कार्बन डबल करने हो ना, जब भी नंबर ऑफ कार्बन डबल करने हो 4 से 8, always use Wood's reaction. Always Wood's reaction will come there. If you remember it, always Wood's reaction will have a role to play. What is Wood's reaction? Remember Wood's reaction बच्चे? बड़ी सही सी रिएक्शन है. हाँ, yes. That is how it will be. CH2 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 CH3. ठीक है? Na will take both the chlorines. ठीक है? And this and this carbon will get attached. ठीक है? The carbons, I'll just change their color. This and this carbons, they get attached to one another. Okay? ठीक है? Yes. And you will be getting the product. Simple. ठीक है ना? Okay. So I'll draw your main carbons with the other color so that you remember it. ठीक है? This is nothing but n octane. Yeah, very good. Okay. Last one में क्या करना है? Benzene to biphenyl. बच्चे, how would you do it? Again, you can make use of Fittig reaction here. Fittig reaction, it is same as Wood's reaction. Fittig reaction is Wood's reaction for aromatic compounds, you can say. ठीक है? Arenes, for arenes. So first of all, you convert it to haloarene, then do the Fittig reaction. ठीक है? So for that, I am adding chlorine in the presence of FeCl3. ठीक है ना? Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, which we have done while the preparation. ठीक है? Cl, and now add again 2 Na to it. ठीक है? 2 molecules will react and they will be forming biphenyl like this. Again the Fittig reaction. ठीक है? So I'll write it here, Vijay. ठीक है? So biphenyl will be formed. ठीक है? Yeah, got it everybody? Got it? समझ गए? Second one is Wood's reaction बच्चे. Wood's reaction ऐसे होती है. Na, what does Na do? Na takes the chlorine with it and the alkyl groups, they get attached to it, forming the alkene. Alkyl groups आपस में attach हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? Okay. चलो, let's move on. Summary कर लेते हैं, then we do the Menti. क्या किया है हमने बच्चे? Boiling point is directly proportional to molecular mass, है ना? जल्दी से कर लेते हैं summary. It will help you in the Menti. ठीक है? Then if molecular mass is same, boiling point decreases with increase in branching. If molecular mass is same, then boiling point decrease with increase in branching. क्योंकि branching के साथ molecule gets compact, smaller, right? ठीक है? Then we did melting point. Melting point depends on packing. And one more thing we did, boiling point is directly proportional to dipole moment also. dipole moment or polarity. If molecular mass is same, then it is directly proportional to the dipole moment also. That is polarity. Greater the polarity, greater will be the boiling point. Okay, that is what we did. Yeah, chalo, let's do the Menti now. चलो आ जाओ फटाफट, दोस्तों को बुला लो, 5 मिनट लगेंगे, फटाफट से मेंटी करते हैं जल्दी से. So it's www.menti.com and 2602239. 2602239. Chandana, बच्चे, packing depends upon the molecular shape. If the bulky groups, they are at 180 degree to each other, they are anti to each other. ठीक है, it means the molecules can come more closer, they can be packed more closely. But if the molecule like ortho, it has got bulky groups closer to each other, then it will hinder in the packing. That is why packing will be lesser. So para, in general, para gives you better packing. Similarly, in case of cis trans molecules will give you better packing. है ना? Okay, got it. चलो, everybody is here. जल्दी से आ जाओ. Choose your logo and all. Then we start the Menti. Come on. Very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Chalo, let's start. Jaldi se, without wasting any time, without waiting for you people. Code is 2602239. बच्चे 2602239. 2602239. Which of the following compound has got highest boiling point? I hope you can see the screen. है ना? You can see the molecules. So, first one is the CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Next one is the CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. Chlorobutane. Next one has got some branching. Next one has got even more branching. Omkar, you should be there for the session. Okay, so it's B. Very good. Well done, 7 students. Well done. So it's chlorobutane. Greater the size, greater will be the intermolecular force of attraction, greater will be the boiling point. Yeah, very good. Second one, well done, Gaurav. Well done, Jaya Surya. Yeah, then next one is among the following compounds, arrange the following compounds in the decreasing order of their boiling point. Decreasing order, very simple. I just told you this thing. Very good, very good, very good. Done? Well done, well done, well done. Well, students, correct. Very good, well done, well done. So, the fourth one will have maximum boiling point because of larger molecular mass. Then the third one, then second, then first. Well done. Next question, people. Here it comes. Very good. Okay. Alkyl halides are immiscible in water, though they are polar because immiscible matlab insoluble. Immiscible means insoluble. They react with water. They cannot form hydrogen bonds. CX bond cannot be broken easily. They are stable compounds and are not reactive. Very good. Jaldi se kar do answer. See, organic questions I have got this very good thing. बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं ऑर्गेनिक के क्वेश्चंस ना, बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं. वेरी गुड 12 स्टूडेंट्स, वेल डन, वेल डन. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू. यस, दे कैन नॉट फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. वेल डन. Next one, second last question. Okay, so which reagent will you use for the following conversion? Which reagent will you use? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Clearly, it is a type of reaction that we have done. Very good, very good. Very good. 8 students correct. Well done. It's Cl2 in the presence of sunlight because it is the free radical halogenation. It is the free radical halogenation. Last question, people. Last question. Here it comes. Be ready. Which one of the following is not correct order of boiling point of alkyl aryl halides? कौन सा correct order नहीं है? CHCl3 is greater than CH2Cl2. Then it would be 3 और 1 4. Chlorobutane is greater than chloropropane. Then the branching and then all. Easy. Well done, Gaurav. Well done. Very good. Very good. 7 students correct. Well done. Well done. So, yeah, वो उसमें branching वाला था ना, उल्टा दे रखा है उसमें, है ना, उल्टा order दे रखा है. The reverse order would be correct. Okay, now we just come back. Okay, so arrange each set of compounds in the order of increasing boiling point. That's the question of the day, people. This is the question of the day. ठीक है, that's your homework. Revise the session, revise it thoroughly, then do these questions. You will be able to do them. ठीक है. Okay, about that pro subscription, I told you about the pro subscription. ठीक है, so these are the prices. 6 months price would be this and discounted price is this. So which is too less and the क्या कहते हैं उसको, features were so good. So link will be given in the description. You have to click on the link, then choose your class, choose your course. Okay, that's my schedule. Class 11, it will be on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and class 12, it will be on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Yeah? Okay? So do not miss any session. I say that. Of course, if you want to study, if you want to get more than 90% in your CBSE or your final exams. Okay? Then click on this link to become a part of the Telegram group. A lot of activities keep happening there. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any notifications. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. Bye everyone. Take care. Have a good day.